This is my first albergue on the Camino de Santiago. I've just hiked 27 kilometers over the Pyrenees mountains and now I'm staying here, this beautiful place. This is day one of the Camino de Santiago, and join me as I daily vlog.
The day has finally come. I'm here, I've been waiting for 2 years to be here. And I've been walking this quaint little village in the south of France. And tomorrow, I'm gonna start Camino de Santiago, 800 kilometers to the other side of Spain. And there, I go to Santa Compostela. What a beautiful time I will have. I will die, but it will be good. Yeah, I'm excited.
I woke up in such anticipation at 4 a.m. ready to hike through the mountains. Got the token selfie, took some more photos, and then we were off into the clouds and up a very, very hard descent. This is a Camino de Santiago.
Buen Camino. Let's go. Sunrise on day one. 3 Ks down. It's good. Life is beautiful.
Everywhere you looked was just incredible. Mountains, views upon days.
This is so much fun. So we've hiked, look at this. Halfway on day one, about 14 kilometers. And we've hiked up, if you can see that, 1,100 meters. It's been fun so far, but on the way we go. There's so many, look at all those houses.
Flying over the Pyrenees, I couldn't believe my luck. After 2 years, I was finally here. And what was better, after a really long, hard hike, there was a van that sold cheese at the top of the mountain. Bloody beautiful.
Amazing. So nice, everywhere you look. Beautiful.
You're going to see some sights on the way.
See some sights on the way?
Yeah, when you go up Orisson.
Yeah.
It takes you about 3 hours to get to the top, but the views, unbelievable.
Really?
And there's helicopters that fly below you because you're that high.
Really?
Everywhere I went, it was absolutely stunning.
We're almost there. Only 765 kilometers to go. Let's go. This is my Australian friend. Okay, we're just coming to France. Leaving France, el frontura en España. ¿Eso es España? Soy aquí. Ah, español. This is the border. Español. Enjoying it, Claudia?
Beautiful.
Another.
Could never.
Pardon?
Australia could never.
Never do what?
Be this beautiful.
No, Australia's beautiful. I met this girl yesterday. She's cool.
Already besties.
Already besties. Exactly.
Everywhere you looked, it was perfect.
Almost end of day one.
You glad you came all the way?
Absolutely. We made it end of day one. Oh, beautiful. Look at this.
So yeah, that's right, I'm here, chilling at this old monastery on day one of the Camino Santiago. So, like, subscribe, because I need more people to love me.